अन्वीक्षिकी त्रयी वार्ता दण्डनीतिश्चेति vidya. This shloka is the opening sutra in the first book of Chanakya's Arthashastra. This means that Anvikshiki, that is right thinking, Trayi, which are the three Vedas, and Varta, that is economics, and Dandaniti, the science of politics, are all Vidya, that is knowledge. Anvikshiki, Trayi, Varta, and Dandaniti. These four Vidyas together constitute the knowledge of the king and are fundamental to becoming a good leader.
Leaders are not born, leaders are made. No one better than Chanakya can claim this statement. Chanakya is a coach, mentor, trainer, facilitator, philosopher, thinker who lived 2500 years ago, who paved the way for even the modern managers and leaders in terms of thinking, the art of thinking, the science of thinking. So come on, let's go on a journey with this old man, Chanakya. And to guide us in this journey, we have Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai, who is a researcher, mentor, and he has unearthed many of these pearls of wisdom from this ancient bestseller. Yes, I'm talking about Kautilya's Arthashastra, which is on the bestseller list for all these years. When I picked up this book, Inside Chanakya's Mind, Anvikshiki and the Art of Thinking, written by Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai, I thought this will be more about the horses and chariots and kings and all of these. However, to my surprise, it took me back and forth those many years, the situation that prevailed around that time, and how uncannily, even today, many of these are relevant. In total, there are about 10 chapters covered in about 210 pages roughly. When Dr. Pillai opens the topic for all of us, he talks about different types of thinking. I was really amazed at the kind and variety of thinking. Just sample these 6 techniques: both side thinking, alternate thinking, leadership thinking, creative thinking, lateral thinking, spiritual thinking. And Dr. Pillai goes on to talk about different models of thinking, either at an administrative model or at a leadership level. The thinking differs. At an administrative level, it is more of design thinking. It is more of how managerially we can adopt these nuances as prescribed by Chanakya. At the leadership level, it's all about Raj Rishi type of thinking. Raja is the king, the leader. Rishi is the monk. Wonderful combination, if you ask me. How to think? That's a key part of this entire book. Also, if you go further in the book, you would uncover 7 different dimensions of thinking. Saptanga, starting with Swami, the king; Amatya, the ministers, managers in a corporate language; Janapada, which is the country; Durga, which is a fortress; Kosha, the treasury or finance; Danda, which is army; Mitra, ally or your collaborators outside the kingdom. Each of these dimensions, Dr. Pillai goes on to elaborate how Chanakya has put structures, thoughts and principles, how a leader should conduct himself or herself. The next chapter talks about 8th dimension of thinking. This really stumped me, because Chanakya talks about how an enemy can be a wonderful tool for us to think. And he says, a good enemy brings out the best in you, isn't it? So all of this reminds me of a Japanese fisherman story, where they had to go farther and farther away from the shore to capture fish. By the time they would get it back to market, customers felt the fish were not fresh. They tried various methods, including keeping these fishes in a freezer and so on, but nothing came close to the idea of introducing a small shark inside the tank. Of course, the shark ate some fishes, but the majority of them reached shore quite fresh, because they were swimming for their life inside the tank away from the shark, and that kept them real fresh. Otherwise, they were giving up the will to live even before they reached the shore. How beautiful Chanakya had written about this 2500 years ago. How an enemy can be eighth dimension to give shape to our thinking. As you all can see, Chanakya was one of the best strategic thinkers of the world. In Inside Chanakya's Mind, Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai uses practical and innovative approach he is known for to distill age-old wisdom of Chanakya for the masses on how to think. If you're watching this, you're a leader, coach, or a team manager, or someone who is interested in development of people around you, or you want to develop as a leader. This is a wonderful starting place to know more about the art and science of thinking. If you are interested, I would leave a link below. Please do buy this book, use it as a companion, make as much notes as you can, highlight areas that you think resonate with you the most, write down the questions or comments in the comments section. I would like to hear from you. So come join me today at 4 o'clock. Let's meet Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai, who has written plethora of books, articles, and spoken in many forums. Let's pick his brain on what is Anvikshiki, how as a leader I can practice Anvikshiki. Thank you so much. See you soon.